Talented. I'm the mechanic, and today I'm going to be making a science experiment called forming a rainbow. So here are the ingredients. We'll need a tissue, some cups full of water, and the rainbow colors of markers. I don't have yellow, so I'm just going to use an alternate for yellow. So let's get started. First, with the tissue, we're going to fold it this way so it's a longer strip. So now we're going to make the color on the rainbow on this side. You have to use all the colors in rainbow form, and we have to do it on both sides. And also they have to be like rectangle shaped, like this. We have to do the other side. Now we have colored both sides of the tissue, so we're gonna put the markers to the side now, and we're gonna use the cups. So they have to be as far as they can, so they can I'm gonna move here so you guys can see. This has to be done at the same time. So let's get started. It has to fit in the cup, both sides. So I'm just gonna there. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! You see that? Look what's happening. The water is climbing up the tissue and is going to soon connect together. See? You can see the blue right here. So now let me tell you the reason why this is happening. You know, gravity pulls things down to the ground. Well, this water is doing the opposite thing. This is called capillary action. So, water, if the tissue is touching like this on both sides, they will climb it up. This also works for the same thing as plants. The roots collect all the nutrients and water. The water comes from the roots all the way from the stem to the leaves. And things that are slippery like oil, they won't do that. But things that water like this, they will climb up like this. Well, that is all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, turn on that like button, and turn the notification bell on. Well then, bye!